GOM offers service and repairs for HP printers, photocopiers and plotters in Parramatta and Sydney Metro, New South Wales. Global Office Machines, GOM is pleased to inform their customers that they may avail themselves of the company's repair and maintenance services, not only across the Sydney region, but also in Melbourne, Brisbane, Canberra, Adelaide and Perth. Customers have access to a team of expert technicians, who specialize in HP printer repairs and servicing. Global Office Machines are an authorized service center for all types of HP printers, including LaserJet, DesignJet, DeskJet, and Photosmart series. GOM retains a team of technicians who receive extensive up-to-date training to continuously improve their knowledge and keep abreast of the latest HP printer makes and models. This gives the team the unique ability to address even the most complicated HP printer issues. Our technicians are trained to fix your HP printer on site, and they always carry a set of spares for various makes and models to make the servicing process as efficient as possible. In the unlikely event that they cannot fix your printer within the same day, GOM will securely transport your HP printer to one of our local mobile workshops and provide you with a replacement machine so you experience as little downtime as possible. The company boasts a 98% first visit success rate, so customers can be sure that their printers will be back up and running in no time, with negligible disruption. They have over 20 years of experience in the industry and have established themselves as a trusted name in providing exceptional service and same-day printer repairs. As a 100% Australian-owned and operated company, GOM has made itself known as an industry leader and front-runner in the provision of excellent customer service and sound solutions to offices and businesses all across the country. If your current service and repair agents are not providing you with the service you expect and deserve, and they make you feel like this, it might be time to contact us. Either via our website at gom.com.au/printer-repairs or call GOM's service hotline, phone 1300 882 852.